So, it's finally happening. DJI, the name that redefined drones, stabilized our footage, and gave creators wings, is now preparing to unleash something truly groundbreaking. This isn't just another camera launch. This is a full-scale revolution in how we capture, create, and tell stories through motion. The world of compact cinematography is about to change forever, and the name echoing across every leak, every tech forum, and every creator chat room is DJI Osmo Action 6. And make no mistake, this isn't hype. This is anticipation that's been building for years. DJI isn't chasing trends anymore. They're setting them. The countdown begins. October 24th, 2025, circle the date. Because according to multiple insider reports, DJI is preparing to lift the curtain on the Osmo Action 6 on October 24th, 2025. Pre-orders are expected to open within days, with worldwide shipments rumored to begin by early November. From now until that moment, every leak, every certification, and every insider whisper feels like a breadcrumb, leading us toward the next great leap in visual storytelling. 1-inch stacked sensor, the new benchmark, the centerpiece of all the excitement? A rumored 1-inch stacked KMOS sensor, something we've never seen in a body this small. This sensor doesn't just capture images, it captures light, atmosphere, and emotion. Expect jaw-dropping low-light performance, insane dynamic range, and color depth that brings cinematic realism to even the harshest conditions. Golden hour trails? Stunning city nights, clean, snowy peaks, and underwater dives? Unreal. This isn't about specs, it's about storytelling. Every pixel now holds more power, more life, more depth. 8K power. True cinema in your pocket. Imagine holding a device that can record 8K at 30 FPS, 5.3K at 60 FPS, and 4K at 120 FPS. That's cinematic resolution in the palm of your hand. You can reframe, crop, zoom, and stabilize without losing a single detail. No bulky rigs, no post-production headaches. Just pure professional flexibility on demand. For creators, this means one thing: freedom. Freedom to film anywhere. Freedom to push limits. Freedom to tell stories that look like big-budget productions, without the big-budget gear. Thermal redesign, built for Power 8K, isn't easy on hardware, but DJI knows how to tame the heat. Leaks suggest an entirely re-engineered thermal system featuring graphene layers, copper heat channels, and advanced vapor cooling. The Osmo Action 6 might gain a bit of heft, but that's strength, not bulk. This is a camera designed for creators who shoot all day, under the sun, under pressure, under fire, and still demand flawless performance. Battery evolution, shoot longer, create more power meets endurance. The rumored 950 mAh high-density battery isn't just bigger, it's smarter. Optimized for consistent voltage, reduced heat generation, and stable output even under extreme conditions. DJI wants you filming more and worrying less. Hours of 4K recording, fewer shutdowns. More memories captured exactly as they happened. Rocksteady 4.0, AI stabilization. That redefines smooth. DJI's already legendary stabilization tech is leveling up again. Rocksteady 4.0 might introduce AI-assisted motion prediction, smart horizon balancing, and gyro-enhanced real-time correction. Even in the roughest moments, cliff dives, mountain trails, skateboard flips, your footage stays cinematic. No wobble, no shake, no chaos. Just smooth, buttery perfection that feels almost impossible. Smartwatch control. The future on your wrist. Imagine controlling your action cam straight from your Apple Watch or Garmin. Start and stop recording, change modes, preview footage, and even overlay live data, like heart rate, speed, altitude, and distance. This isn't a gimmick. It's the future of wearable filmmaking. Your smartwatch becomes your new director's monitor. Built-in storage and data security. Creators know the pain of a failed SD card. DJI seems to know it too. Leaks reveal 64 GB of internal storage with expandable microSD support and real-time backup redundancy. That means your footage stays safe even when things go wrong. Professional reliability meets adventure-ready resilience. Design and durability. Tougher, brighter, smarter. Expect dual touchscreens, front and back, with ultra-bright displays, improved touch sensitivity, and anti-glare glass coatings. The body? Waterproof up to 20 meters without a housing and built like a tank. Even the lens is rumored to feature multi-layer nano coating, cutting down flare, ghosting, and smudges. From blazing deserts to icy oceans, and now this thing's ready for anything. Pricing and competitive edge-leaked pricing suggests a starting range between $329 and $420, with advanced bundles reaching around $570 for 8K power, AI stabilization, and pro-grade reliability. That's a serious value proposition. DJI isn't just competing with GoPro and Insta360 anymore, they're declaring war on mediocrity. DJI's grand ecosystem vision. This isn't just a camera launch, it's a strategy. DJI's ecosystem is evolving into a unified creative suite. Imagine syncing your drone, gimbal, and action cam, all color-matched, time-synced, and seamlessly integrated. One app, one workflow, one ecosystem for the modern creator. The Osmo Action 6 could become the bridge connecting DJI's entire creative universe. Rumors with reason, the evidence is stacking across multiple leaks and regulatory filings. The pattern is undeniable. 1-inch stacked sensor, 8K recording, AI stabilization. Smartwatch control, thermal redesign, built-in storage, different sources. Same story. That consistency builds credibility. Bonus surprises? Whispers suggest wireless charging support, modular lens attachments, and maybe even a built-in AI color engine that grades your footage instantly. And then, there's the Osmo Nano, a rumored ultra-compact, wearable companion camera that might launch alongside the Action 6. If true, DJI isn't launching just one product. They're launching an entire creative movement. The dawn of a new cinematic era. This isn't about chasing GoPro anymore. It's about chasing cinema itself. The Osmo Action 6 isn't just a camera. It's a creative companion for those who live to capture the extraordinary, filmmakers, travelers, explorers, adrenaline. Junkies, storytellers, DJI's message is clear. The power of cinema is now in your hands. So, charge your batteries. Mount your gear. Because when the Osmo Action 6 finally lands on October 24th, 2025, the world of action filmmaking will never look the same again. Sensor that changes. Everything DJI has reportedly packed a 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor inside this beast, something unheard of for an action camera. That means every frame bursts with light, depth, and cinematic texture. From the glow of sunrise to the chaos of city lights, every pixel feels alive. No more noisy nights. No more dull daylight shots. Just pure, breathtaking detail. Every single time you hit record. 8K recording, cinematic power in your hand, yes, you heard that right. 8K resolution at 30 frames per second. This isn't just sharp. It's future-proof. You can crop, zoom, and reframe without losing an ounce of clarity. 3K at 60 FPS and 4K at 120 FPS are also on the table, perfect for slow-motion storytelling. It's like having a portable film studio wherever you go. Rocksteady 4.0, when AI defies gravity. DJI's Rocksteady stabilization has always been the gold standard, but the 4th generation might just break physics. With AI-driven motion tracking and horizon leveling, your footage stays silky smooth, no matter how wild your moves get. Whether you're skydiving, skating, or chasing sunsets on a bike, your video will still look like a movie. Endurance like never before. DJI knows creators don't stop when the light fades. That's why the Osmo Action 6 might feature a new 950 mAh high-density battery designed for long sessions, consistent voltage, and cooler performance. Imagine hours of 4K footage, no overheating, no sudden shutdowns, no frustration, just endless creativity. Cooler, tougher, smarter. Behind all that power is an upgraded thermal system with graphene and copper cooling. It stays cool under 8K stress, literally, and durability. It's rumored to be waterproof up to 20 meters, dustproof, and impact-resistant, built for the kind of creators who live on the edge. Smarter storage, 64GB of built-in memory plus microSD expansion means your best moments are safe, even if your card fails. Because when the shot of a lifetime happens, there's no second take. Smartwatch control, the future of hands-free filmmaking. Now here's the part that screams next gen. DJI might let you control your camera straight from your Apple Watch or Garmin, start recording, switch modes, or even view live data like heart rate and speed. Your wrist becomes your new command center. Price that shakes the industry. Reports suggest the Osmo Action 6 could start around $399, undercutting GoPro and challenging Insta360 head-on for what it offers. That's nothing short of disruptive, a part of the DJI ecosystem. This launch isn't just about one camera. It's about unifying DJI's entire creative lineup. From drones to gimbals to action cams, everything works together. Seamless color profiles, synced footage, frictionless editing. The Osmo Action 6 is